Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this nude yellow nail art design. So guys, straight away I'm going to be starting from this point. If you want to know how I prepared my nails, I have a video for that. Check my videos out or link down in the description box. So off to the start. This is the base coat. Guys, this is the end result. I am going to be doing the same for this other hand, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Hey guys, so I have finally finished making my nails. I love the outcome. It is so beautiful, and I really proud of what I did. These are the end results. Let me know down in the description box if you like. I've never done squared nails before, but I don't think I'll do them again. They don't clutter my hands. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Watch my other videos. Links will be down in the description box. It will be popping right here at the corner of this screen. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. Bye.